Well, I just thought I'd make a little video for my friend Don in Brighton. Seems we're all in hibernation here and can't do much. I just wanted to show him what I'm not doing because I can't be at the coffee clutch with him. I went and bought myself a little race car set like I wish I had and could afford when I was a kid. Bought on eBay and had it shipped to my front door. And I constructed a table. It was 8 by 12, I think. Out of wood laying around. And I play with this when I got nobody else to play with. And I'll show you what goes on here. All kinds of fancy electronics. Starting gate. I've got, I think it's a 77 Firebird from that movie. What the hell was it called? I forget. Smoking the Bandit. A couple of 68 Mustangs. Ford GT. They all have headlights and taillights. A Porsche. And I'll show you what happens when we start a race. There's a starting gate up there. Hit the button. We count down. And I got these cars set on ghost mode, so they drive all by themselves right now because I can't operate the controller and do all this fancy stuff at the same time. It's not possible. And they go like heck. Oh, whoa, there we go. My golly, isn't that something? Anyway, I've said this before, money can't buy happiness, but money can buy hobbies. Take care, Don. All the best to you. There we go. Which button do I press, I wonder?